So good evening to especially those of you joining late. My name is Rajesh Bhatt. All right, good evening and welcome everyone to this next 3-day masterclass. And it is my absolute privilege to support you in the beginning of the year, right? So last year, 2021, I had led a total of 158 masterclasses. This is the first one in this year, and I am delighted to welcome all of you for the first masterclass of the year, right? So let's welcome everyone to the first masterclass of the year, and let's wish each other a very joyous, super exciting, and an extraordinary year ahead in the year 2022. Let's ensure we are setting the path for it, right? Next 3 days, can we make a path for ensuring this year is going to be the best year for each one of us here? Can we take that as a challenge, everyone? Let's make sure that this year is the most amazing year of our lives. This is my challenge to all of us. Let us not just make resolutions. Let's make some clear action plans and reduce our work and focus on better strategies and so on. All right. So with that, let me just share with you how we are going to ensure the next 3 days are spent brilliantly by each one of you. Next 3 days my commitment is that next 3 days we learn a lot in the next 3 days, implement a lot in the next 3 days. So first part of the agenda, everyone, is how can you get maximum value over the next 3 days? That's the first part. There are 3 elements to getting maximum value. Okay, I'm going to take you through how you can get maximum value. The second part is there are 4 key principles that we will be going through in the next 3 days. 4 key. And today itself, my commitment is you start implementing them, start making them a part of your life. That's my invitation and challenge to each one of us. That is the second part of the agenda. And the third part of the agenda is big, hairy, audacious goal and breakthrough actions. How can you implement this principle called big, hairy, audacious goal and breakthrough actions deeply over the next 24 hours? These are the 3 parts of the agenda today. All right. So to begin with, I hope all of you have a notebook and a pen. Everyone has a notebook and a pen? Now, generally, I have observed, right? For example, last week, I met a few people, right? I met a few people who had come to the program 4 years ago, right? And they said, I have this notebook in front of me, Rajesh, and I've been using it for the last 4 years. And I was very delighted to see them using them like that, right? It's beautiful. So my invitation to you is you make notes and implement. Do not just listen. Implement, imbibe. Because what you understand, you may forget. What you imbibe remains. So imbibe and take it through to the entire year. All right. So with that, let's get started with the first principle of the day. Okay. What is the first principle of the day? The first principle of the day is called big, hairy, audacious goal. Now, what is hairy? Hairy means your hair is standing on your hands. You are getting goosebumps. Whoa. So you are getting goosebumps like that, right? You and the listener are getting goosebumps when you communicate your big goal. When you speak, hey team, this is my big goal. You and the listener get goosebumps. Now this is the mindset and talent or capability, right? This is a talent that top leaders have. Normal people think of smart goals. What are smart goals? Specific, measurable. Many of you may be already knowing this, right? So normal people, managers, right, in companies talk about smart goals. Top leaders focus on big, hairy, audacious goals. Now, let me give you a couple of examples. Like first week of December, we had a community meet. And in the first week of December, when we had a community meet, one of the participants called Naga Chaitanya, I think she had joined the community last year, September, October, right? She mentioned to me in the community, in front of all the ILEDs, we were all celebrating and then learning and implementing things. She said, Rajesh, my 3-year BHAG, right? My 3-year BHAG was to reach 1 crore plus yearly income. And I have bagged a new job with a salary of 1.7 crores per year. This is what Naga Chaitanya shared. And we were all celebrating. Wow, it's so amazing to see people accomplishing like this, isn't it? This is my challenge to each one of you. Take on a 3-year BHAG. Now, at the same time, it is just not about money. Okay? It is just not about money, right? Leadership is not just about money. It is about impact. How much of impact, how much of that result you can produce that people are willing to kind of really look at you with that kind of caliber. Oh my God, she has that big caliber, big capability, big skill that she has, right? So everyone start thinking like this. Now, some of you may say, forget about the money. I am more interested in making a bigger society impact. Some of you may say, forget about money, right? Even in case of Naga Chaitanya, if people have to pay her that much, she has to produce that much result, no? Isn't it, everyone? So, let us think hard on this. What is your 3-year BHAG? Everyone start writing. My 3-year BHAG is, write that down. Then write down, my 1-year BHAG is, first you write down, my 3-year BHAG is. Then you write down, my 1-year BHAG is. Next you write down, my 3-month BHAG is. So everyone, please write it on in your notebook. Now some of you may be a little confused. By the way, the first time I heard these principles, right? The first time I heard these principles, my head started spinning. My God, what are these BHAGs? What is this principle? 15 years ago, this was, right? 15 years ago, my head was spinning. My God, what is this principle? BHAG and all these things, right? So some of you may be confused or worried. So it is very normal. Okay. If you have confusions or worries, do not worry, relax. It is very normal to have confusion. It is very normal to have worries. So you will get clarity and you will get answers by tomorrow end of day. What, everyone? Now everyone, let us hold on to this. Okay, everyone. So start writing, start thinking through this principle, start implementing them. Very powerful, right? So everyone, we have put together 3 things to support you, right? 3 things to support you in the next 3 days itself. What are the 3 things? 1, the first thing are these Zoom sessions. These Zoom sessions are there, everyone, so that you can move very fast towards your BHAG by imbibing the principles, going through the activities. What, everyone? Going through the activity, imbibing the principles. For example, tomorrow there is a visualization process and a brand building process tomorrow evening, live in the session. Okay, everyone? So live in the session, you will implement imbibe the principle in the session itself tomorrow, where you will build an extraordinary brand of who you are in the session live tomorrow. And you will meet somebody who has already reached the top in the last 3 years. She has reached the top, one of the best roles in India today, one of the best in the most well-known company. She has reached the top, earning 1.5 crore plus salary and huge income, all that stuff, right? So you will meet people like that in the session tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, all of you will go through an activity, shameless pitching. Now, what is shameless pitching? Shameless pitching means negotiating very powerfully, maybe at home, maybe at office, maybe at your business, maybe for investors, maybe with the bosses, with no hesitation, no fear, no guilt. You'll be powerfully negotiating using an activity day after tomorrow, right? So the Zoom session is designed in a way each one of you implement the principle, not just think about, okay, let us understand the theory alone. Understanding alone is insufficient. Imbibe, practice fully. Got everyone? Tomorrow there is an activity called maximizing, how to build maximizing capabilities. My challenge to you is imbibe every second, every minute. Each one of you are here not to just pass time, isn't it? You didn't sign up to the program so that I have some time, New Year, just enjoy. You want to go, you would have gone to a party, isn't it? You are here to imbibe everything. My challenge to all of you is just go through the activity, listen and implement. Keep your videos on. This is my challenge to all of you. Can each one of you keep your videos on? Can all of you keep your videos on from right now for the next 3 days? Guys, this is your life. If you don't implement, you'll get zero value. Right? You have invested. You are committed. I invite you to keep your videos on, participate 100%, ensure you get 100 times the value that I am committed to for the next 3 days. If you don't imbibe and implement, you'll get zero value. If anybody is busy, right, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, please switch to the next batch, no problem. But I want to challenge you. You are here to imbibe, implement, squeeze everything from us. Can everybody keep the videos on? Excellent. Next thing is, you have your WhatsApp group. You know why the WhatsApp group is there? WhatsApp group is there. So all of you met these amazing people when you joined in on time. You met these amazing people. Each person is unique and powerful in their own way. Meet them and copy shamelessly in the WhatsApp group. Right? WhatsApp group is there. So you can copy shamelessly. It will be open today, later. Tomorrow also it will be open tomorrow morning. So copy shamelessly from each other. But this is a WhatsApp. For example, day after tomorrow, each one of you will publish your extraordinary brand statement along with a selfie day after tomorrow. It's called a shameless selfie, shameless brand selfie. You will share your extraordinary brand statement day after tomorrow with each other. Get to know each other day after tomorrow, not today, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is on Wednesday. Okay, everybody? Now, that is where tomorrow all of you will share your BHAG and breakthrough action in the WhatsApp group. Copy shamelessly from each other. Oh, she's implementing it. I can also implement it. Got everyone? So the third thing you have is the relationship manager. The relationship managers are there, so you can get personalized support and your questions can get answered. You can get case studies based on your profile and your challenges. They can guide you in the next 3 days. Each relationship manager would have supported hundreds of people in the last month, 2 months, right? They will support you in many ways as much as they can. This is my challenge to you. My question and challenge to all of you is, how many of you are going to say, I am committed. I am 100% committed to ensure each one of you get 100 times the value in the next 3 days. Can I challenge each one of you that no matter what, I will squeeze everything from the program? Can I challenge everybody? No matter what, these people, I paid the money, I am putting the time, I'll squeeze 100 times the value. Can I request everybody? I will ask you this again day after tomorrow. I will ask you, did you squeeze 100 times the value? Did you get huge value? I believe in ensuring everybody gets huge value. Excellent. Thank you so much. Let's go, get going. Excellent. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. That is super. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. But let's go to the next step. Let's go to the next step, everyone. Okay, excellent, everyone. So let's go to the next step. The next step, everybody, is called clarity brings momentum, brings energy and results. Let me repeat. Why is the next step you are going to take so critical? Imagine if you had clarity. Clarity means you're clear. You're clear about what to do, how to do, where and how, what actions, which resources. Clarity brings energy, momentum and energy. And energy produces results. Leaders don't manage just time. Okay, leaders don't just manage time. What do the leaders manage? Leaders manage energy. Means what? Time is limited. What is the meaning of it? Everyone has 24 hours. In 2022, there are only 365 days. Everyone has the same. But the one who brings more energy for themselves and their team wins big. Okay, imagine you go to a meeting. If you bring huge energy in the meetings, you are more likely to win. So leaders manage energy, not just time. If you say, tomorrow I will get it done, I will take it on, and you also mean it and you have the capability, you will win. So clarity brings momentum, momentum brings energy and results. Leaders manage energy, not just time. Think about it like this. Today onwards, keep your BHAG in front of you. Okay? Keep your BHAG in front of you. For the entire year, think about how can I bring energy towards BHAG? How can I bring more energy? It may be your own personal energy, your family energy, your team energy. So the more energy you bring, the more exponential your growth will be. Energy can be exponential. Time is limited. Time is always limited. Everyone has 24 hours, right? Energy can be exponential, like huge it can be. For example, at Iron Lady, we have volunteers who bring energy towards a purpose. So bring huge energy from today towards your BHAG, your emotional energy, right? Your intention, your mind energy, like the clarity. Okay, everyone? Every day when you wake up, you say, oh, I'm bringing energy towards my BHAG. I'll move faster and faster and faster. Got everyone? So I will share with you many techniques in the next 3 days, how you can miraculously bring more energy towards your BHAG and move faster and faster towards your objectives and your BHAGs. All right, everybody? Now, having said that, let me tell you a story of somebody quickly, somebody who implemented these steps deeply. Okay, last 10 years ago, she implemented these steps. And what all steps she implemented, let me quickly share with you so you can start implementing those steps from today itself. Unfortunately, this is a story which starts on a very sad note, right? This is a story of somebody called Suvarna, right? In 2006, her income compared to other people's income was similar, very similar, right? Unfortunately, only in 4.5 years, in 2011, her income, while the income grew, it did not grow as much as other people. Her income grew, but other people's income grew much more. Her growth was much lesser, much lesser compared to other people. So she was left with an income which was only 60% compared to other people. Now, it is just not about the income. It is also her work which was valued lesser. Her capabilities were less appreciated, right? Her value addition was not given the importance. And she was feeling highly demotivated because she was a highly intelligent person, highly smart, highly committed, very responsible. Unfortunately, in 2011, she said, my God, this is so unfair and so sad in 2011. She said this. This is Suvarna. Her name is Suvarna, right? Now, let me ask all of you a question. How many of you can relate to this situation? Generally, 95% of the participants say they have either going through it, they can feel it is so unfair themselves. How many of you can feel like this? How many of you know you're going through it, or you can relate to this? Majority of you, isn't it? Yeah, yes, see, majority of you can feel this, isn't it? Now, 95% of the participants I have seen have either gone through this or going through it, and they see that it's so unfair, isn't it? How do you all feel about this? How do you all feel about this? Demotivated, right? Too bad, isn't it? Unfair, isn't it? So many of you can feel this, right? Now, let me tell you, I had the privilege, opportunity to support Suvarna in 2011. I was so fortunate, right? So here is my story. I was so fortunate to be able to support Suvarna in 2011. Now, this is my story in short. I had two businesses and one NGO. The NGO is called Head Held High. One Bridge is an organization that I started, and Iron Lady is the next organization. So I have had six companies started. The last three have gone on to become number one in the industry in their own ways. I had the privilege. I was so lucky to get 7 top global CEOs and vice presidents became my great friends by the time I was 25. I was so lucky. People like Sridhar, who was the CEO of Bajaj Auto, became my great friend when I was 25, not now, 15 years ago almost, right? I was so lucky. And then I went on to start these companies as I went on, and I started sharing these ideas with Suvarna. The way I'm sharing with you today, I was sharing back in 2011. Come on, take a BHAG, implement it, all this. I had received these principles today also. These 7 CEOs, continue to be supporting Iron Lady even today. People like Simon, who was the CEO of Aviva Singapore. So some of the top global CEOs, right? And as Suvarna started implementing it, we started documenting the principle. We started writing down what does the principle mean, what does the principle mean, and then we started sharing with other people, right? Other people also we started sharing. Come on, you can also implement. Then other people started implementing it. We started documenting it, and this became what we today call Art of Winning framework, especially for women. With the 15 plus years of all the work that we have done, put them into framework, right? What are these principles, right? These principles are like this, right? These are the 27 principles. Everyone, you can take a quick snapshot of this. Can everybody take a snapshot of this? Can everyone take a snapshot of this? Everyone? Have you all taken a snapshot? Now, some of you will publish it in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Some of you please publish it in the WhatsApp group later. Now, these are the 27 principles which are a part of the Art of Winning framework. Now, these are 27. Now, my challenge to you is implement as much as possible. So what I implemented them. For example, we have all this implemented one by one. And now every month, more than 3,000 to 5,000, 6,000 people implemented every single month now. And there are thousands of people who have implemented already over the last 50 years. Okay. Let me share with you sample of this principle right now. Okay. Let me give you one to begin with. The day after tomorrow, we'll go through all the 27 principles. Today, we don't have time. Day after tomorrow, all 27 will go through. Now, let me give you a few of them to begin your thinking, get to start it. Let me tell you the first one. Leadership with grace. What is the meaning of it? Leadership with grace means smile and carry a gun. Got it, everyone? Smile and carry a gun. Don't just smile because there are so many people who will take advantage of this, isn't it? Smile and carry a gun. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will share many examples of how to start doing this. This is a very, very, very powerful principle that is implemented by Suvarna. Okay. Next principle. What is the next principle? For example, right? Next principle, for example, is called maximize. Maximize, maximize, maximize. Okay. Do not just balance. Means what? For example, how many of you heard the thing called women should balance? How many of you heard? Women should balance. Women should compromise their career. They should compromise for their family. Yes or no? Majority of you heard it, isn't it? Nicely sugar coated. Nicely sugar coated. People say you should balance. Isn't it? Today I challenge you to forget about balance. Don't mistake me. I'm telling you, I'm going to explain what I mean. Tomorrow you will learn from somebody how to maximize. Maximize means what? A fantastic career. Yes, a fantastic career, and not all, and a very joyful personal and family life. No more ors. If anybody asks you, you should compromise from today, you say, sorry, I'm done with compromising. I'm done with balance. This is my challenge, all of you. This is what I implemented. This is what thousands of iron ladies are implementing every single day, every single month. This is my challenge to you. Stop telling, if somebody tells you, yeah, you should balance, say, thank you very much. I'm done. I'm going to have a fantastic career and a very joyful personal and family life. This is my challenge, all of you. No more balancing. Tomorrow, somebody will share with you, she will share how she maximized and how you can all start maximizing tomorrow itself. Is it clear, everyone? But today itself, start thinking, how can I say I will get the best of both worlds? This is my challenge, all. Okay. Now, this are some of the principles. Now, let me go to one more. Okay, as an example. Okay, one more principle is called crucibles of leadership. Crucibles of leadership means your empathy and your emotions are your strength. But unfortunately, many people use your emotions as a weakness. They try to figure out how to irk you, and you will be when you start using your emotions, they will start playing games. So today onwards, learn the art of using your emotions and your empathy as a strength. You care for people, should be your strength. It is a strength. Never let other people use your emotion as a weakness. For example, never show your emotion to your competitors or your detractors, your enemies, so-called, right? So do not let them use it as a, do not show your emotions also to them through your emotions, right? So this is a principle. Do not give the chavi of your emotions, especially to your enemies. Right, everyone? Now, these are some of the principles. We will go through all of these again in some detail day after tomorrow. My invitation to all of you is, we have put together all these principles so that we can move towards our purpose much more aggressively, right? Now, you may be asking, Rajesh, all this is nice. Who are you? How do you know about women? So let me tell you something very interesting. This is my family, right? 2 daughters, wife, sister, mother, mother-in-law. 6 of the most important people in my life are all women. 6 of the most important people, right? These are 3 of them. 2 of my daughters and my wife are here. Now, people joke with me, Rajesh is always surrounded by women, right? I tell them that whether it is at home or whether it is outside, where I meet a lot of women every day, I have only one intention. What is the intention? My only intention is, whether at home or outside, the women in my life are growing. They have a fair chance. Whatever was not given to them due, let us start giving them due. This is all I care about. By the time my daughters and our daughters will turn 30, can we make a much better life for them? Just 2 weeks ago, I was speaking at a TEDx forum in Kolkata, right? 2 weeks ago, I was there in Kolkata sharing about this in TEDx. and then share it. By the way, I was wearing a sari all the while, right? So, and it was a beautiful, joyous experience to be able to supporting this day in and day out. It's been a very, very joyful experience. My challenge and commitment to is, can we challenge ourselves to move towards this purpose? Can all of us challenge ourselves to move towards this purpose? You win and you support one more person, two more people, and at least 1 million women are to reach the top. This is my challenge all. At least 1 million women are to reach the top. Okay. Now, by the way, here is the story of Suvarna that in 2014. What is the story? Right? Story of Suvarna ends like this. She grew 4 times. 4 times her growth happened from 2011 to 2014. 4 times growth. Just in a span of 3.5 years. 2011 to 2014. This was Suvarna's growth. Some of you may be wondering, Rajesh, how do you know so much? I happen to be Suvarna's proud husband. Okay. I happen to be her husband. Yes. And it was Suvarna's idea to start Iron Lady in the first place, not my idea. Okay? She came up with the idea and she joined me full time last year as well. Last year, she joined me full time. She will be meeting you live in the session day of tomorrow, sharing her story, and she will be sharing what you can all do fast. Okay, everybody is clear, everyone? This is my challenge to ask. Let's ensure at least 1 million women, each one of you, implement these steps, all the 27 steps, fast, you get to the top. So let me tell you this, we have a purpose and a community called Iron Lady Community. Now, what is the community about? This community is about enabling everybody to reach the top. We have board members of people, the companies. We have the best entrepreneurs in the community. Now, some of you may be interested in joining this community. You are interested in investing more time, more energy, more money, mastering this much more. You need much more support from us. I invite you to implement as much as possible in the next 3 days only. Or if you want to add more support, you go ahead and join the community as well. This is my challenge to all of you. Okay, everybody? Next, let's go to the next one. Now, can all of you share? Can all of you quickly share your 3-month BHAG right now? Can everybody share your 3-month BHAG? Let me go through some quick review of these so that you are able to implement it. Okay, everyone? Excellent. Quickly. Okay. Upskill and prepare myself. Get 100% right. Excellent. Okay, everyone. Quickly. Okay, good. All right. Everyone, please stop. Please stop. Now, everyone, listen to my comments very carefully. Everyone, listen to my comments very carefully. At the end of this activity, all of you need to get clarity about your BHAG. Why? Clarity brings momentum. Momentum is energy, action and results. Clarity is very important. So let's get clarity. Now, some of you saying 100% hike, Subalata. Good start. Which kind of company? Which kind of role? What kind of team are you going to be leading? Write down. I'll be heading a team with this kind of people and hike of 100%. This is a very powerful BHAG. Okay. Now, some of you are saying, Simran is saying, joining a progressive profile. Simran, what is the meaning of progressive? Write down. I will join this kind of role. 1, 2, 3 roles possible. 1, 2, 3 companies possible. Right? And what is the salary? So, like for example, Sumalata said 100%. You can type maybe 50, maybe 30, maybe 70, depending on where you are right now. Start writing down very carefully and powerfully. Clarity brings momentum, everyone. Okay. Now, to reach, Nilaveni says, to reach 2 lakh rupees per month. Nilaveni, good start. Now write down, how will you reach to, what is the benchmark to reach 2 lakh per month? Means, is it a team? Is it a size? Is it the kind of role? Is it the kind of, the activities you will do? Benchmark and clarity is extremely important. Very powerful it has to be. It has to be clear. It has to be powerful. Now, Shreyal says, I want to start my own architectural practice. Shreyal, this can be done much faster. In 1 week, you can start your architectural practice. But what can be a very powerful BHAG? I will have at least 10 clients or X number of clients in 3 months. right? That can be very powerful B hack, isn't it, everyone? Think hard. What can be challenging? What can be exciting, powerful? That is a very important aspect of B hack. Okay, everyone. Now somebody says, I want to get a good job. Divya, what is the kind of job? What is the kind of role? Good, maybe anything. What kind of role? What kind of position? What kind of company? What kind of salary? Everyone think deep. What is a clear bench? It has to be clear, powerful benchmark. Okay. Somebody saying financial independence. Now, how much money is that every month? Think about it deeply, everyone. Think deep. Don't just do supervision, everyone. This is my challenge. Okay. Now, Nisha says want to get 100 policy. Excellent, Nisha. Very good. Where all you want to get policies like this? Think about it. 100 policies. Which regions? Think about it. Survi says want to switch to new company. Which are the 5 possible companies? Which are the 5 roles? Think about it. And what kind of benchmark? Now, Rajveer says impactful communicator. Everybody, here's the secret. Leaders learn by doing, not just learning something alone. Means, if you want to communicate powerfully, take a B hack. Next 3 months, I will give 10 different sessions or 10 different public appearances. And I'll speak and learn communication. Got everyone? This is very critical. Now, some of you are taking personal B hack. I want to lose weight. Remember, all of you are in a leadership masterclass. You take a personal you take a professional or business B hack to begin with. Use the same principles for your personal goal as well. It is not wrong to have personal goals. Of course, you have to have personal goals, but you have to have career and business goals in this masterclass because you are in a leadership masterclass. Right, everyone? Now, so some of you saying doing yoga regularly now, much more exciting, much more powerful. What can be a B hack? But everyone, so everybody think about a B hack that can light up your life, make your life in 2022 the most amazing in the year ahead. This is my challenge to you. Now, all of you, can you send your B hack to your relationship manager right now or WhatsApp? Or WhatsApp, can you all send it, everyone? Quickly send your B hack to your relationship manager right now. All right. Now, as all of you start sending it, those of you are confused, it's normal for you to be confused. Okay. Send a message saying I'm confused. It's all right. It's all right to be confused, everyone. It's perfectly fine to be confused. Now, as all of you send it, those of you are confused, send a message saying I'm confused. Last part of today's session, I will share many more case studies and examples. Okay, everybody. Now, with this in mind, even if you're confused, by tomorrow, all of you can get clarity. Okay. Now let's go to the next step, everyone. Next step. What is the next step? Next step is, it's nice to have a B hack. Should you work very hard or should you work very, very smart? Can everyone tell me? Should you work very hard? Should you work very smart towards your B hack? Can everyone tell me? Quickly, go ahead. Smart, both. Smart, hard, smart, both. Okay, everyone, please stop. I'm sorry, everyone. This is a trick question. What is the real answer? The real answer is leaders don't think just smart work and hard work. What do the leaders think? Listen very carefully. Leaders think strategic and act with daily tactics. Think strategic and act with daily tactics. This smart work and hard work is normal managerial thinking. Normal thinking. Normal people think, oh, should I work hard? Should I work hard? Leaders do not think just smart and hard. They think, what is the strategic way and what are the daily tactics? So let me give you practical examples. The first part of strategic thinking, some of you may be confused. Don't get confused. I'll give you examples. By tomorrow, end of day, you'll get clear. I will give you practical way to come up with this by the end of the session today also. Later on, last part, I will give you some templates to think about it deeply. Okay. Now, the first part of strategic thinking is called breakthrough actions. Now, what are breakthrough actions? This is a small part of strategic thinking, but it's a very important part. Okay. What are breakthrough actions? Breakthrough actions means reduce your work. Reduce your work. a lot, least actions, and huge results, big results, very less actions, and mega results. Let me give you some examples for breakthrough actions. One of the participants wanted to get a mega job, big job she wanted to get. And she was very worried. My God, how can I get it? All I need to reach out and all that. So instead of worrying and doing too many actions, you know what she did? She created a fun, exciting video of 1.5 minutes. Fun, exciting video with all her strengths. Okay. And shared it with 25 top recruiters and bagged a mega job. Okay. This is an example of a breakthrough action. So I'll give you one more example. One of the other participants, she had begun a business and she was selling to individual customers. Customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4. After some time, after mastering the techniques and all that, she stopped selling to individuals and started selling to influencer customers. So each influencer customer had hundreds of people who he or she was influencing, and suddenly her brand grew, her business grew by 5 times in 3 months. This is my challenge, all of you. Think of breakthrough actions, very less actions, least possible actions, huge results. Now everybody getting it? Now everyone, this will take time to think about. Okay, don't get worried. Oh my God, I'm not understanding. Relax. By next 24 hours, you will get more answers. Last part of session today, I will share other case studies and samples, more samples, and a template to come up with breakthrough actions as well. Last part of it today I'll share. Okay, but think about, write down what are the top 3 breakthrough actions I can take towards my BHAG. Everyone start thinking about it. Next 24 hours, you can write down the answer. Okay, everyone? So now it takes time to reflect, guys. Don't get worried. Oh my God, I'm not understanding. Just relax. Generally, these kind of things take months together to complete powerfully. But you are trying to do it in 3 days, and you will do it in 3 days. That I guarantee. So quickly start doing it. Okay. All right. Next. Now, as you start doing this, some of you may be saying, now generally people tell this to me, Rajesh, BHAG breakthrough action is fine, but actually my own manager is not recognizing my efforts. My own investors, my partners, even people at home are not recognizing my efforts. What can I do? How many of you have this question? Many of you have this question, right? Now, let me tell you how to answer the question. What you need to do is you need to become unignorable. What? Yes. They better not ignore you. They better not sideline you. So you have to become indispensable or unignorable. How? So there is a technique. Okay, thus many of you may be aware of this. If you work for approximately 10,000 hours or approximately 8 years properly in an industry, you should be one of the top people in that industry. How many of you heard of this principle? Anybody? No. Go to the internet, it's available internet online. It's called 10,000 hour principle. I'm not going to elaborate. It's a known principle. Okay. 8 years approximately or 10,000 hours. Now, many people who come into the program say, oh, I already spent 20 years. I already spent 10 years. I spent 30 years, but I have never reached the top. By the way, many of you are now saying, yes, I also was in the same position. Okay. I had spent 8 years and gone nowhere. Okay. And when I listen to people and when I hear why they have not reached the top, let me tell you number one reason. The number one reason is they have been focusing on delivery skills. Means I've been focused, delivering result, delivery skills. It's called delivery skills. I want to deliver results. So I'm focusing on results. Deliver. Result. Hard work. Unfortunately, you have not focused on your brand, your growth, and your leadership skills. You are never focused on them. So, if you have made this mistake, it is very natural that even after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, after 40 years, some of you, may have not reached the top. Today, I challenge you to change that equation. Right? You have the skills already. A lot of the skills are already there. Today, it's about positioning, repositioning yourself, repackaging yourself, and positioning yourself right at the top. So how? Let me give you the first guidance, first suggestion. The first suggestion is called showcase your strengths big. Strengthen and showcase your strengths big and uniquely. Strengthen and showcase your strengths big, uniquely, and more importantly, manage and hide your weakness. You know why? Because your strengths, showcasing them uniquely, powerfully, is what gives you, starts giving you a brand. But unfortunately, many people who are surrounding you will not tolerate it. You know why? They can't tolerate your growth. Generally, this happens many companies. Generally, people around you will want you to focus on your weakness. Why? Then they can enjoy. You will be in trouble. You will never win because of your weakness. Please understand this forever today. You will never win because of your weakness. You will only win because of your strengths. Strengthen and showcase your strengths big time. Let me give you a practical example. On your resume, on your LinkedIn profile, for example, or you're running a business, some of your doctors, right at the top, position the right big strengths, big accomplishments, big things, right at the top, wherever people can see, put it at the top, right at the top. Somewhere at the bottom, where nobody is seeing, right? Nobody is noticing, put your break or anything else that you don't want people to see. This is the first example. Now, tomorrow, everyone will start powerfully defining your brand. You will also meet somebody. In the last 3 years, she has gone from a junior level to one of the top levels in India. She's implemented this deeply. You will learn from her what she did. The key here, everyone, become unignorable, become indispensable. People in your life, they better give you importance, better call you to ask your opinion. But everybody, this is my challenge to all of you from today onwards. Now, today I challenge you to commit. By the end of 2022, you will have a fantastic brand, like, really powerful. People will see you. Oh my God, she's a great leader. In 2 years, we will see, my God, she's an extraordinary leader. This is what is a path that has been chosen by all the IITs. I challenge you to go on this path from today. Strengthen and showcase your strengths big, manage and hide your weakness, build an extraordinary brand, become unignorable, indispensable, and become an extraordinary leader, especially to people who matter. It's called stakeholders. All right, everyone? This is the next part. Now, as you do this, everyone, the next big hurdle, right? The next big hurdle is called negotiating for what you want. What is the meaning of it? For example, when you start speaking up, when you start building a brand, many people will still not recognize you. Many times you still have to showcase that I want to get this stuff. For example, negotiating for a better position, better salary, better hike, better project, better roles, better investors, better customers. This is a critical part of your growth. So the next step is to learn the art of shameless pitching. Now, many people confuse this, saying that, oh, Rajesh is asking me to be shameless. No, I am not asking you to be a shameless person. I am asking you to learn the art of, with no hesitation, powerfully negotiating in a way that you start getting what you want. This is my challenge to all of you. Now, let me give you a practical example. How many of you know that you keep working for 11 months very deeply, very powerfully, keep on working 11 months, 12 months, you go and talk to your manager says you have done what is expected of you. How many of you face a similar situation? Now, many of you, right? This what I've heard this umpty number of times in people who are just joining the community. Now, this is my challenge, all of you, right? Everybody, I'll give a mantra from today. Ready, everybody? This is the first mantra of the master class. Everybody, please repeat this with me. I only get, everyone, please repeat with me. I only get I only get what I negotiate, not what it is. I only get, everybody please repeat this to me. I only get what I negotiate, not what I deserve. If you think your manager is your friend, you're mistaken. Please don't make that mistake. Your manager is not your friend. Your investor is not your friend. Your partner is not your friend. If you don't get this, you'll be always fooled by other people. All right, everyone, please understand. You get what you negotiate. I'll tell you one real incident that happened, which is very painful to me. I had a participant who wanted to grow in her career. She wanted to join the community, right? She wanted to make more growth in her life and all that. 49 years old, working in an MNC. Okay. I asked her, what is your challenge that you're facing in life? Do you need to pitch shamelessly? She said, Rajesh, I don't need to pitch shamelessly. I have everything in my life. I said, very good. I have all the money in my life. I said, very good. Then I told her, then what is the problem? She said, Rajesh, I have only one small problem. So what is the problem? My only small problem is I have a lot of money in my bank. Unfortunately, the key is with my mother-in-law. I don't have the pin. I don't know the ATM. This is the real one. 49-year-old leader working in an MNC, 17 years of experience. I was shocked. I said, my God. Then I had to tell her the truth. The truth is you only get what you negotiate. Start negotiating starting from home. If you want to be a part of the community, if you want to be growing in your life, you need to start by negotiating at home. Can I challenge everybody to start making one pitch at home? I want to grow in 2022. I want to make my career in 2022. I want to build my life. I want to stand for myself. Stand up for yourself starting from home, because you only get what you negotiate, not what you deserve. Is everyone clear about it? Now, this is my challenge, everybody. Now, everybody, the first thing you need to negotiate for is completing this program powerfully, right? Tomorrow, what time is the session? Tomorrow, here is a part of the session, everybody. Tomorrow evening, what time? 7 p.m. tomorrow. Differentiate brand and shameless pitch. Now, can I challenge everybody? Now, remember, tomorrow when you start going for the session, 6 o'clock, somebody will say, hey, yaar, it's okay. Aditi, don't try to go. Don't try to build all this. It's okay. This Rajesh has no sense. He keeps shouting at it. He keeps talking, be hack. You don't worry. So don't go to any. Many people will say this, or you may also start feeling like this. My question to all of you is, have you kept the alarm? Have you committed to invest yourself fully? Have you said, I will make the best use of this no matter what? Okay. Remember, leaders speak the language called no matter what I will win. No matter what, I will squeeze 100 times. Can everybody commit like this? Can I see you for sure at 7 o'clock tomorrow? Can everybody commit? No matter what, I'll be here at 7 o'clock. Have you all put the alarms? Not 7-1, not 7-5. Everyone, quickly go through the next part. Next part is about different, the samples of B hacks and breakthrough action. Everyone, listen to this. Last 2 minutes, listen very carefully, everyone. Last 2 minutes about differentiate the samples of B hacks. Everyone, here are the B hacks. Example B hacks. Can everybody confirm that you have sent your B hack to relationship as well? Here are the B hacks. Okay, here. Annapurna took a B hack. Sign up at least 3 paying corporate clients from scratch. This is a B hack. Has everybody sent it to your relationship manager? Can you confirm it here? All right. Aditi took a B hack. Last 5 minutes, everybody, rapid fire. I'm going to go do a rapid fire. Okay. If you miss the last part, you can go back to the video, watch it again, because this is very important. Last samples I'll share with you. Okay. Quickly here. B hack. Pushpa took a B hack. Reach 2 crores per month. Everybody, have you all sent your B hack to a relationship manager? Quickly send it. Okay. Now, everyone, you may be working. Anjali took a B hack. Join as a director with 40% hike at Ernst & Young. Next, Rani Sunila took a B hack. Bag a huge project with great visibility. This is a B hack taken by Rani Sunila, working in Intel. Now, many of your teachers, educators here, Gayatri took a B hack, right? 50 students from scratch. Lawyers, now chart accountants, right? Interior designers get at least 10 cases per month. Was a B hack taken by Nilmani. She was 58 years old when she joined the community, right? Now, social enterprise, B hacks like this. People on a break get a new job or consulting or something like that with the 50% hike. These are B hacks. Now let's go through breakthrough actions, everyone. Now I'm going to go rapid fire. All of you need to publish your B hack and breakthrough action in the WhatsApp group tomorrow. Okay. quickly go through the samples of breakthrough action as well and the template. Now, this is called ERRC template to begin with. Okay, eliminate, reduce, raise, and create. Any actions you can eliminate, and any actions what you can reduce, any actions that you can raise, any new actions you can start from scratch. No, any actions you can create. ERRC template is called. Okay. Next, here are samples. Those who are in a job, take on a large project, negotiate. Remember, you get what you negotiate. Negotiate from the beginning, not from the end, last. Right? Next, build your rapport with the skip level manager right from the beginning. Every week, build a rapport with the skip level manager. Next, negotiate hard from the beginning. Next, people who are looking at building your business, growing your business. You may be a consultant, doctors like this, doctors, lawyers also, people who are either running a solopreneur or running a business. These are some samples that have been used by the community members. Create powerful pitches, get it reviewed by mentors. Having mentors is critical. Next, clear pipeline, sales pipeline or funnel is critical for any business to scale. Third, invest more in marketing. The current return on investment is acceptable. These are examples. Next, people looking for jobs, create a differentiated brand statement. Tomorrow we'll start doing this very powerfully. Next, video resume uploaded everywhere and video and text blog article every week. These are samples for job seekers. My challenge is each one of you think in the next 24 hours, start coming with it. Now, everyone, here are the examples of people who have been implementing these deeply, powerfully. Some of the top people, employees of IIMs, IITs, implementing it deeply and very powerfully. Okay. Now, why am I sharing this? Unfortunately, 10% of the participants drop out in the beginning in the 3 days itself. Very, very sad. I am very, very sad. I am committed to ensuring each one of you reach a powerful outcome in 3 days. My question to all of you is, can we stay together, everybody? Can you all stay together for the next 3 days? Everybody, can we commit to win together? Excellent, fantastic. Now, can everybody share the key learnings in the WhatsApp group right now? Can everybody share the key learnings in the WhatsApp group right now? Can all of you share? What are key learnings in the last 1 hour? Can everybody share quickly? Quickly share, everybody. Right now you share. Quickly share in the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group is open right now. Quickly share the learnings right now, everyone. Here, share it right in the WhatsApp group. Let me read some of them. All right. No, not here, Seema. Not here. In the WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, we share, everyone. Quickly share. In the WhatsApp group. Quickly share in the WhatsApp group, everyone. All right. Excellent. Fantastic. Everyone is sharing. Be shameless. Excellent. Fantastic. All right, everyone. Now, what I'm going to do, everyone, I'm going to do something very